shloka is the most important shloka. Let us chant together. You can stay in mute. Let us do it together because majority of people you have learned this Shivananda Lahari. Manaste padabje nivasatu vachastotra phanitau karaschabhyarchayam srutirapi katha karnana vidhau tava dhyane buddhir nayanayugalam murti vibhave paragrandhan kairva paramashivajane paramataha. Here, Paramashiva, He Paramashiva, that is the Sambodhana. Everywhere, Shankaracharya ji uses different Sambodhana. That is what Paramashiva, He Paramashiva. How to do, what to do with our mind. How we become the Shiva Yogam, means uniting with Shiva Bhagavan. There are some pointers are given. Let us see one after the other. That is why it is very, very important. Let us see. First, what is talking about is Manaste Padabje Nivasatu. Mind should stay at your lotus feet, O Lord Shiva. Nivasatu. My mind should stay at your lotus feet, O Lord Shiva, O Paramashiva. First one. Second one is Vachaha Stotra Phanitau. Vachaha means our speech. Whatever we say, any words, all of the words, all of them, whatever we speak, whatever we say, all of them should stay your vak. Phanita means speech, vaku. That should go with your stotram. Shiva Manasa Puja Stotram, Shiva Panchakshari Stotram. नागेन्द्रहाराय त्रिलोचनाय भस्माङ्गरागाय महेश्वराय नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै नमः शिवाय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय. Like that it comes like Namah Shivaya. Mandakini Salila Chandana Charchitaya. Like that we can say, Oh